Sometimes sanding can take forever. It helps to know the rule of doubles.
You're essentially doubling the grit. You see, each grit leaves microscopic scratches, and jumping too far, like 60 to 220, means the fine paper can't remove the deep scratches. You'll spend unnecessary time and wear out more sheets. Going too small, 60, 80, 100, you'll barely notice the improvement between steps. The rule of doubles hits the efficiency sweet spot. So you'll want to start out with your original grit, let's say 80, and then double it. And go on from there, doubling every time. You're essentially doubling the amount of grit between paper. You're satisfied with your finish.
Smooth finish, less sanding, more time for coffee.
Follow more at snackablesteel.com.